I won't break the code. Young niggas try not to die. We just pray that we get old. My niggas is gone. If they was not in the field, I won't put their name in the song. I've been in the zone. Calling my niggas from jail, just praying they pick up the phone. Try to get niggas to come get it with me. If they was too busy, I'll get it alone. Watch how you approach. Young niggas.
Alright, so the first thing is figuring out how serious you got to take this. Are you trying to actually record yourself, or are you just trying to simply learn so you can impress the bitches or your homeboys or whatever the hell it is you're trying to do?
Definitely trying to impress the bitches.
He said they definitely trying to impress bitches. Damn.
No cap.
Damn.
Who doesn't?
Damn. Alright, y'all, don't mind the messy room, but I just want to go ahead and let y'all know that if you decided that you wanted to record, take it seriously, or, I mean, even if you did just want to freestyle, well, I'm putting both parts in this motherfucker for you. I don't give a damn. I'll keep it a buck. No, my room is not completely dirty. It's just a little small and clustered. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of shit and not enough space. That's how it is when you poor and trying to come up. Fuck with me. So when it comes to equipment, of course, you get all these videos here on things that you need, stuff like that. A MacBook or any laptop preferable, but of course, most people, most creators, they're using Apple products. I'm sorry, that's just the meta nowadays, or meta, or however the hell you say it. Down the line, you want one of those factuals. But if you're, broke like me, you know what I'm saying, it's hard. You gotta save every dollar you get to try to get one little piece of equipment in like 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? You can go with something like this too. Any laptop. Alright, y'all. So for some of the other equipment that you're gonna be needing after that MacBook, laptop, desktop, whatever, top, head, top, all that. Once you get that, the next things that you're gonna need, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and just put them all out for you. It's the audio interface right here. This is a Focusrite. I can't remember the fucking name of the other shit, but the rest of it. But as you see, Focusrite. You know what I'm saying? It's the base model. It's like $100. It's pretty cheap, man. And as you see, I got some of my cords here. Let me just go ahead and show y'all actually what these cords is. Get a little bit more detailed. So for this port, like, I forget exactly how many millimeters this big one is, because honestly I had this bitch, and the only reason why I had this was because my sister had a guitar, right, and she never played it, and she had this motherfucker since she was like 13. You know what I'm saying? She still don't know how to play the guitar. So I stole this from her. But yeah, so for the Focusrite, you do need a bigger than usual ports right here, as you can see. Let me get that bitch to focus. Well, fuck it. As you can see, god damn it, it's a big ass little hole right there for headphones. I don't know if that symbol will show. I can't hold the camera and get this bitch to. Hold on, try like this. That shit made it worse. But yeah, as you can see, you need that, right? And then once you get that, now you got your regular 3.5 millimeter, regular old, you know what I'm saying, headphone import. And of course, as you know, as you hear it, that's where you plug in your headphones. Then you got a mic cord. Now, only reason why I got this is because I got one of these expensive ass $200 ass mics that I've probably had now for like a year and a half. And because my ass hasn't been consistent, I have been using it, so that bitch has been just sitting collecting dust. But as you can see, I don't just got the mic here. I do got Xbox game, you know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna cap you, as you can see. That's a little extra. But yeah, I got a stand here. I got the pole. Then I got this AKG mic. Really decent mic, bro. $200. I recommend it, honestly. And then of course, the mic stand and everything that comes with it. And then you got your pop filter. So if y'all don't know, the pop filter is for You know what I'm saying? When you're recording P's and S's, it actually kind of keeps the plosives from being able to actually come out. So like for example, you know, like if you hear someone, you know what I'm saying, like, man, calm your ass down, man, you hitting the P words a little too fucking hard. It doesn't take much to have P come out, B come out. I can get into a more in-depth tutorial on like wording and how to actually be able to say words and say them in a way that they're very clear. There's a lot of clarity. You know what I mean? All your favorite rappers, I mean, besides like a couple, you can actually still understand the language that they're speaking in their song. You know what I'm saying? But it's how you know I'm a beginner YouTuber. I'm literally recording with my fucking outside camera instead of actually, you know, showing y'all the softwares through like a software that I could just screen record this shit, which I probably could, but with my dumb ass, I don't know how to do that yet, but future videos. But yeah, anyway, so when it comes to software, one of the things that you're gonna need with this is going to be what we call a DAW, D-A-W, which stands for Digital Audio Workstation. Correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you. But me here, of course, being that I have, you know what I'm saying, this MacBook here, luckily enough, you know what I mean, I'll go ahead and let you guys know that I do indeed use Logic Pro. And let me stop you guys right there when I say I use Logic Pro. No, I just have Logic Pro. I haven't been making music in a while, but trust and believe I do have some in the works if you guys are interested. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but let's just go in here really quickly, really briefly. I'm not gonna go too deep into this. I just want to let you guys know, kind of like, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit. Oh, look at this. See, this is how you know right here that I don't use this. As you see, I haven't been recorded. You know what I'm saying? I normally go to studios nowadays. Alright, last selected, blah blah, cool, whatever. So yeah, bam. Get the audio station right here. You get this shit pulled up. Not opening any existings. We're gonna do that. Blam blam. Hit choose. And boom. This is what one looks like. If you haven't seen it, I'm pretty sure by now, it's 2020, everybody has seen a motherfucking Logic Pro or a DAW, especially if they're interested. Alright, man, and pretty much after you get all of that equipment there, it begins the actual rap process, man. So let's get down into it. So of course, you know, you need studio monitors so that you can hear, you know what I'm saying? But there's other things that we can go into. I'm pretty sure you guys get the picture of that. I'm not gonna go too deep into it, but if you guys really want like a more in-depth tutorial, I could actually post more videos about that, you know what I'm saying, create a playlist for y'all, get something going on the channel for that too. Y'all just let me know in the comments, man. I really appreciate that. Alright, let's keep going. Step 1, rhyme words. And I know that sounds basic as hell, but that's really it. So
it works. It works.
Huh?
It works.
What words?
Rhyming words.
That's all rapping is. Rhyme words, that's step 1. Let me give you an example.
So, as you know, cat, hat, right? So.
See, and I know for a damn fact that y'all did not come to this video to hear somebody say some of that most basic shit. And that's what you get in other videos. That's what you get in other videos. Cat, hat. That's what you get in other videos, man. We not doing that here. We spit facts here, man. We don't.
Spittin' facts.
Spitting facts. So, for step 2, as you can see, my boy over here jigging and shit. Go ahead and show a little something there. Fuck it. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah.
Alright, man, so for step 2, find a beat, right? That's not it. Hold on, let me finish. And learn how to have cadence. Learn tempo. Learn how to get rhythm. He doesn't have no rhythm, he says. So I'm about to give him some rhythm. Alright, so for step 2, which I really want to go ahead and do after you find your beat, of course, and practice this rhythm, you want to find the tempo of that beat. Now, how do you do that? I got you. Alright. So, what you want to do is not use words and just use noises. Now, what you do is you do stuff like, it's going to sound weird when I do it real quick, but it'll make sense when I play the beat with it. But you go like, ba, 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 ba. So with tempo, there's 4 counts, right? 4. I'm not gonna go too deep into it, just a brief explanation. So with beats, you count them by 4s. So those are measurements. This is not music class, so I'm not going that much deeper into it. Alright, so pretty much what I mean is you hear the beat in the background, that's Dave Beast. If y'all don't know him, go check that nigga out. Fire as hell. Under fucking rated. I don't know why niggas still sleeping. Anyway, this is how you do it. Ba, 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 ba. Do, 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 do. Right? You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much a 4 count. And that's how you start finding your tempo. So that's the most basic fucking tempo. And if you ever rap like that, I'm telling you now, you're not pulling no bitches. I'm telling you now, you're not pulling any bitches rapping like that. So you want to get more advanced. So let's say you get that shit right. I'm gonna let my boy actually get y'all the second tempo, a more advanced tempo. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll give y'all even more advanced one after that. So that right there, folks, was an example of probably not what you want to do, but
What you're gonna do?
it's probably how you're gonna start off, right? So I did that to actually show you guys that that's how you look when you start out, when you try. You know what I mean? But it's okay. Like, as you see, we're not perfect, and in the beginning we're gonna make mistakes. But as you grow and as you do it, you get cold. Alright, y'all, man. And for step 3, add the fucking words. Now, like I said before, if y'all want, I can get way more in depth on like what you want to do, how you want to even write your words, things like that. But like I said, I'm gonna keep on pressing this. Let me know in the comments, bro. Alright, so after you get all of that done, you know what I'm saying? You found out how to rhyme, you got your beat, you got your rhythms down and stuff, and your tempo and everything. Maybe you figured out a little style to it, maybe a sound. I don't know. Hey, good job. But now that you got all of that, you put it together and you come out with this. Boom. Lead, hey, breath the only thing we gotta get. You lose focus when you focus on the shit. Fuck it, as long as we be on the same shit. Only need to be fast. Started off with a lead, she a old school freak. Try to hit me up a kid. Didn't have the app, shit was there right then. Fuck it, yeah, right here is the end. Hey.
I got the medicine, I got that light Thomas Edison. I go on raw, ain't no editing. Don't know one unknown, I ain't better than. Ain't give me shit, I ain't sharing it. Ain't no connect, ain't no pairing it. But my squad got the tools in case you niggas need the handyman. Yeah. Drip, drop, winter time, get the block.